Excuse me. 7 to like 7-11 or like 7 to 10 back then. I didn't even do it 2 times. Austin, thank you for the army. Excuse me. And then I just start cutting random shirts. And it's summer here, so I'm going to regret it in about 6 to 8 months. But them on, they're downstairs, and I don't really feel like. Love TikTok, man. I love TikTok. Excuse me, backed up there. Demographic, yes. Yeah. Because he may. Do you miss live? I do, but I don't. I don't miss the. Oh boy. Excuse me. Talking about. I mean, I have cats, but they're not around me right now. Running down the road with a big arrow. Way better. Where the hell have you been? I've been chillaxing, relaxing, working, just, the same as normal. I think I might deal with it. I have a big forehead, I know. Excuse me. Further up there for me. I think that's like 2 hours away from me, so. Probably because it's a new casino. I feel like elliptical. Hell yeah, dog. Something better than nothing, man. Love it. Love it. I always say smash because Zap. Hello, Zapparoni. Grant, thank you for the gifts, dog. I got dogs and 2 cats. 2 dogs, 2 cats. Excuse me. It's fine. It's not that big of a deal. They're only like 380 here. But you would have a truck. It's a Ford Ranger.